exploring the charm of Harry Styles, a deep dive into his musical journey and fan adoration. Ever wondered what makes Harry Styles not just a music icon, but a global phenomenon? Let's dive in and uncover the allure behind this charismatic star who continues to captivate hearts around the globe with his unmistakable talent and style. Born on February 1st, 1994, in Redditch, Worcestershire, Harry Edward Styles started from humble beginnings. His early life was marked by a passion for music, setting the stage for a future that would eventually lead him to international stardom. From singing in a band formed with his school friends to auditioning for X Factor, Harry's journey into the music industry began with big dreams and bold ambitions. This pivotal moment would open doors to opportunities beyond his wildest dreams. Though he didn't win X Factor, Harry's potential was undeniable. He was grouped with 4 other contestants to form One Direction, a decision that would change his life and the landscape of pop music forever. One Direction soared to global fame with their debut album, Up All Night. But it was Harry's charm and vocal prowess that often stole the spotlight, hinting at the successful solo career that was soon to follow. Harry Styles brought more than just his voice to One Direction. His songwriting skills were evident early on. He co-wrote several tracks, infusing the band's music with his unique touch and helping to shape their distinctive sound, which captivated millions globally. His transition to a solo career in 2016 marked a pivotal moment for Styles. Leaving the comfort of a group, he ventured into the unknown with his self-titled debut album. The album not only succeeded commercially, but also received acclaim for its artistic depth. Sign of the Times emerged as a powerful single from his debut album, skyrocketing to the top of global charts. This song, characterized by its poignant lyrics and sweeping melody, cemented Harry's status as a musical powerhouse beyond the boy band image. Styles is also well known for his distinctive fashion sense, often seen as a trendsetter. His bold choices, from vibrant suits to striking patterns, have made him a staple in fashion discussions, influencing styles around the world. Beyond music and fashion, Harry Styles has significantly impacted modern pop culture. His approach to fame, characterized by his openness and advocacy for social issues, has reshaped fan expectations and artist responsibilities in the entertainment industry. Harry Styles has significantly impacted modern pop culture, reshaping the boundaries of the genre with his eclectic style and heartfelt lyrics. His approach blends rock, pop, and indie influences, creating a sound that's both fresh and nostalgically familiar to listeners across the globe. Styles' second album, Fine Line, showcases this blend beautifully, diving into emotional and musical complexities that have resonated with fans worldwide. Tracks like Adore You and Watermelon Sugar highlight his ability to craft catchy, meaningful songs that push the envelope of traditional pop music. In addition to his musical talents, Harry has also ventured into the world of acting. His debut in the critically acclaimed film Dunkirk was a departure from his music career, yet he delivered a compelling performance that earned praise from both audiences and critics. A memorable moment from his tours includes the time in 2014 when his pants ripped on stage. Despite this embarrassing mishap, Harry handled the situation with his characteristic humor and grace, endearing himself even more to his audience. Beyond the stage and screen, Harry is deeply committed to charitable causes. He has been involved in numerous initiatives, supporting everything from children's hospitals to clean water projects, demonstrating that his influence extends far beyond entertainment. Harry Styles is much more than a musician. He's a beacon of positivity, advocating for equality and kindness. His genuine approach resonates deeply, making fans feel seen and heard, creating a community grounded in acceptance and love around his music. Styles' dedication to his craft is shown in his thoughtful songwriting, which often explores personal themes that encourage reflection. His lyrics provide a window to his soul, offering comfort and understanding to listeners who find common ground in his words. One of Harry's most unforgettable live performances was at Coachella 2022. It wasn't just a musical set. It was a cultural spectacle that showcased his charisma and connection with the audience, solidifying his status as a live performance icon. Harry's collaborations span across genres and generations, reflecting his eclectic musical taste. Working with legends like Stevie Nicks and modern icons like Lizzo, Harry bridges musical worlds, bringing a fresh yet timeless quality to every track. His influence extends beyond his music. Many emerging artists look up to Harry, citing his bold choices and authentic self-expression as a significant impact on their own artistic journeys. His footprint in the music industry continues to inspire a new wave of musicians. Harry Styles has become a beacon for emerging artists, influencing a new generation with his genre-blending sounds and heartfelt lyrics. Many young musicians cite him as a pivotal inspiration, drawing from his fearlessness in both musical and personal expression. In his interactions with the media, Styles sets himself apart by maintaining a focus on his art rather than personal scandal. This approach not only endears him to fans, but also creates a safe space for his creativity to flourish, away from the tabloid spotlight. Harry's evolution from a boy band heartthrob to a respected solo artist is a compelling narrative of growth and ambition. His journey underscores the importance of perseverance and passion in achieving lasting success in the competitive music industry. Fans from across the globe share how Harry's music has impacted their lives, creating a communal sense of inspiration and comfort. These testimonials highlight the deep emotional connections that his songs foster, transcending mere entertainment. Styles' global appeal is undeniable, with fans in every corner of the world. His music breaks through cultural and linguistic barriers, uniting people with its universal themes of love, loss, and self-discovery. This widespread influence underscores his status as a global music icon. What's next for Harry Styles? As he continues to evolve as an artist, fans eagerly anticipate his upcoming projects and tours. With each release, Harry pushes the boundaries of music, blending genres and experimenting with new sounds to keep his artistry fresh and exciting. From his small-town roots to becoming an international superstar, Harry Styles' journey is nothing short of inspirational. His evolution in music and his impact on society highlight how one individual's passion and dedication can truly change the world. Harry Styles isn't just a musical talent. He's a cultural icon whose influence extends beyond the stage and into the hearts of millions worldwide. His contributions to music and society have cemented his place as a modern legend in the entertainment industry. If you're inspired by how music can shape lives and influence global culture, consider subscribing to Music Educator. Here, we dive deep into stories of musical icons like Harry Styles, exploring their journeys and the impact they have on our world. Remember, like Harry, you too can leave your mark on the world. It all starts with a dream and a note. Whether through music, art, or any form of expression, your passion has the power to inspire and transform lives across the globe.